It sails skies of Lebanon are burning, those mighty cedars bleeding in the heat. We're showing pictures on the television of women and children dying in the street. And we're still at it in our own place, trying to reach the future through the past, still trying to carve tomorrow from its tombstone. But hey, don't listen to me, this wasn't meant to be no sad song. We've sang too much of that before. Right now I only wanna be here with you until the morning dew comes falling. I wanna take you to the island and trace your footprints in the sand. Right in the evening when there's no one around, when we're close to the sound of the ocean. They're raising banners over by the markets, whitewashing slogans on those shipyard walls. Witch doctors praying for a mighty showdown. Oh, our holy flag is gonna fall. Up here we sacrifice our children to feed the worn out dreams of yesterday, and show them dying will lead us into glory. But hey, don't listen to me, this wasn't meant to be no sad song. Oh, we sang too much of that before. Right now I only wanna be here with you until the morning dew comes falling. I wanna take you to the island to trace your footprints in the sand. Oh, right in the evening when there's no one around, we make love to the sound of the ocean. Now I know us plain folks don't see all the story, and I guess this peace and love is just copping out. And I guess these young boys dying in the ditches, is this what being free is all about? And how this twisted wreckage down on Main Street will bring us all together in the end, as we'll go marching down the road to freedom. Oh, freedom, freedom. Thank you.